In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and customize the YouTube TV channel guide so you can easily find your favorite channels, organize them, and get the most out of your live TV experience. Once you're signed in to YouTube TV, open the app on your TV or go to tv.youtube.com on your browser. Press the home button on your remote or click the icon in the top left corner to open the main menu. Look for the guide option. That's where you'll see the full list of available channels and what's currently playing. To personalize your guide, click the Edit button. It might look like a pencil icon or say Customize. From there, you can hide channels you don't watch or pin your favorites to the top for quicker access. Just toggle off any channels you want to remove from your guide, and YouTube TV will remember your preferences. You can also search for specific channels using the search bar, and when you find one, just click Add to Guide, so it shows up in your list. If you ever want to reset your guide or change your location-based channel lineup, go to Settings, General.Location, because YouTube TV customizes your guide based on where you live. Thanks for watching. If this helped you set up your YouTube TV channel guide the way you like it, drop a comment below and let me know which channels you pinned at the top. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips. See you next time.